Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel AISSMS IOIT. I am Sandhya Onkarahiri, Assistant Professor in Department of ENTC Engineering at AISSMS Institute of Information Technology, Pune. Today, in this video, I am going to explain vane pump. As the continuation of the series lectures on the different types of positive displacement pump, in this video, we are going to see the working principle of vane pump under the category of rotary positive displacement pump. A rotary vane pump is a positive displacement pump that consists of vanes mounted to the rotor that rotate inside the cavity. In some cases, these vanes can be variable length to maintain the contact with the wall as pump rotates. The schematic of rotary vane pump is as shown in the figure. It consists of the stationary part stator and moving part rotor assembled inside the casing. Moving component is eccentrically placed slotted rotor which turns inside the cylindrical stator. Springs-loaded sliding vanes are mounted in the slots of rotor. Working of vane pump. A slotted rotor is eccentrically supported in cycloid cam. The rotor is located close to the wall of the cam, so crescent-shaped cavity is formed. The rotor is sealed into the cam by two slide plates. Vanes or blades fit within the slots of impeller. As the rotor rotates, shown by yellow arrow, and fluid enters the pump, centrifugal force, hydraulic pressure, push rod push the vanes to the wall of the housing. The tight seal among the vanes, rotor, cam, and side plate is the key to the good suction characteristics common to the vane pumping principle. The housing and cam force fluid into the pumping chamber through the holes in the cam shown by the small red arrow on the bottom of the pump. Fluid enters the pockets created by the vanes, rotor, cam, and side plate. As the rotor continues around, the vanes slip the fluid to opposite side of the crescent where it is squeezed through the discharge holes of the cam. As the vane approaches the point of crescent shown by the small red arrow on the side of pump, the fluid then exits from the discharge port. Advantage and disadvantage of the vane pump. Advantages: it handles thin liquids at relatively higher pressure. It compensates for wear through the vane extension. Sometimes prefer for the solvents like LPG. It can run dry for short periods. It can have one seal or stuffing box. It develops good vacuum. Disadvantages are: it can have two stuffing boxes. It has complex housing and consists of many parts. It is not suitable for high viscosity applications. Applications of vane pumps are: these are used for transfer the fluid of aerosol, propellants, in aviation service for fuel transfer, and in many such applications in auto industry such as fuel lubes and refrigeration coolants. They are used for bulk transfer of LPG and NH3. They are also used for LPG cylinder filling and used to transfer the alcohols, and they are also used in refrigeration. Thank you.